Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from halfway tree to 3 miles, or from halfway tree to Spanish Town Road. So we are now on we are now on Hagley Park Road, and as you can see, Hagley Park Road was recently renovated. It's now a dual carriageway, concrete barricade in the middle. It has the street lights, good signage, white lines, modern stoplights. This is the model for which all the main roads in Jamaica should look one day. Very nice road, and if you can remember how chaotic this road was before it was renovated, before all these stoplights were put in, the traffic flows freely now. It's much better, I must say. Job well done to the government, and the government has really been doing a good job in renovating these main roads. You have Constant Spring Road, Barbican Road, Marcus Garvey Drive, Spanish Town Road is under construction. And when we say government, we don't necessarily mean this current government, whichever government was in power when the job was done. So there is a project basically to go ahead and renovate all these main roads to help with the flow of traffic. But what makes Hagley Park Road special is because it takes you from halfway tree, which is the busiest place in Jamaica, to Spanish Town Road, where that's the busiest intersection in Jamaica. The intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica, and Hagley Park Road runs from halfway tree, the busiest place in Jamaica, to the intersection with Spanish Town Road, which is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So this is a very busy road. It's used quite a lot. There are a lot of business places on it, but I think the most popular use is to transport persons to and from halfway tree. Now, Hagley Park Road also takes you on to Spanish Town Road, where you can turn left at the intersection and go to downtown Kingston, which is probably the second busiest place in the city of Kingston. Or you turn right and you head back to Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, and that road takes you out of the city of Kingston to the two most populated areas, which is Spanish Town and Portmore. Also, Mandela takes you to the two major highways. So Hagley Park Road takes you from halfway tree to Mandela Highway basically. So there is a lot of traffic that uses this road every day. Also, if you're trying to get to the wharf, Kingston Wharf in Jamaica, this is the road you would take if you're coming from halfway tree. So it's a very busy road, and the government did an excellent job in renovating the road. Now, we said earlier that the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. That's the intersection straight ahead. A double overpass was built at this intersection because of how busy it is. So we're going to go on the upper level, or the higher road, which is the Hagley Park Road overpass. The lower road is Spanish Town Road overpass, and then you have the original ground level, which is the original intersection. But this intersection was built here because this is the busiest intersection in Jamaica, not just the city of Kingston, in all of Jamaica. Very nicely done. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and this is the only double overpass in Jamaica. Okay, we're going to slow down, and right as we go over the overpass, or as we start to descend, you will see Kingston Wharf, where all those cranes are, and that's the largest wharf or port in Jamaica. Alright, so if we were to turn left here, we'd go onto Marcus Garvey Drive. That takes us to the entrance of the port and also to downtown Kingston. If we were to turn right here, that will take us onto the Portmore Expressway and take us into the municipality of Portmore. So you can see just how used this road is, or how busy it is. We're going to make a U-turn and head back on and stay on Hagley Park Road and head back to the intersection with Spanish Town Road on the ground level. Alright, so straight ahead, the higher road, or where to go right, that would be Hagley Park Road. Now we're going to see the Spanish Town Road overpass, which is the one right below the upper one. Okay, so straight ahead now, that's the Spanish Town Road overpass. And straight ahead where you see that light, that's the original this is the ground level, so that's where the original intersection was before the overpass was built. So we're now heading on to Spanish Town Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.